Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the video quality to 720 or higher. Today I will show you how to set up responsive design for dashboards. Open any dashboard in the Stimulsoft Designer. Click Preview to show the dashboard. By default, the dashboard stretches to fill the entire viewer area. Now let's share this dashboard for viewing in a web browser. Click the Share button, enter a template name and choose the access level. For example, set the access to public, copy the link and click the Save button. Open the copied link in a web browser. The dashboard will appear in the web browser. Enable responsive mode in the web browser to simulate mobile device viewing. As you can see, when the viewer's height and width change, the dashboard scales accordingly. However, the elements are scaled down proportionally, which can result in a loss of information, clarity, or even misinterpretation of the dashboard and its metrics. This is not true responsive design. To create a responsive design, you need to add a mobile version of the dashboard. Go to the Page tab and click the Mobile button. Choose the metrics that will be included in the mobile version of the dashboard. Adjust the size of the elements. Save the changes and reload the dashboard link in the web browser. As you can see, the dashboard now has a responsive design. However, when you change the viewer width, the desktop version of the dashboard is still shown. Now you need to configure the responsive settings. Open the designer and switch to the mobile mode of the dashboard. First, you can adjust the width and height of the dashboard. This can be done using the Properties panel or through the dashboard menu. Pay attention to the Content Alignment setting. This parameter allows dashboard elements to scale when the size changes. You can configure responsiveness using the Device Width property. This property defines the maximum dashboard width in pixels at which the mobile design will be used. For example, set the device width to 800 pixels. Save the changes and reload the dashboard link to the browser. Now the mobile design of the dashboard will be used when the dashboard width is 800 pixels or less. Otherwise, the desktop version will be shown. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!